very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max Maserati, a very good trader, a very good friend. Max
Hello, hello, guys. Hello, hello. If you can hear me, just let me know, please. If you can hear me, can you hear me on the YouTube? Please let me know if you can hear me. Just write on the comment. Yeah, I hope you're having. I hope you had an amazing weekend. And as you know, today is Monday, so this is the day we do our weekly analysis. And so, as you know, I like to trade like very late, like probably 10, 11 in between. So for me, this is the best time to trade. And yeah, so 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 today we're going to focus on doing the weekly analysis, and then we're going to have the daily analysis, and then so we know exactly what to expect from price. So just give me one sec. Yeah, yeah, good. So full definition. Yeah. So let's just start from the chart, and then if you have questions, you can start. Like if you have any questions, feel free to write in the comment below, and then we can go full. Uh, yeah. Okay. So let's start. As we know, like last week, we have a pretty amazing days, and then we did a very nice analysis, and everything went perfectly well, like we expected, exactly like we expected price to behave. And I hope you all took some nice trades, and for now, we are just going to fully focus on doing our analysis for the day and for the week as well. So let's start with the chart. Now I'm going to just open the chart so you can see it very well. And let me just minimize. Yeah. And so okay, what we have for today. So as we can see today, let's just go to the weekly chart. Let's go to the weekly chart. We already did our analysis the last week, but we're just going to do like a brief overview of what I do every single week. So I'm going to delete what the previous week, and then I'm going to compare what happened the previous week with this week, so I can have a kind of confluence and I can connect everything together. All right. So if we look at the previous week, we had a bearish body close. And as we had a bearish body close, so we were expecting this week to do what? To retrace back inside of this candle, of this bearish body close candle, and then to take this low. So this was our target. This was our weekly target on Monday. So when we did our daily analysis on Monday, it was the Monday low, and at the same time it was the weekly target. So what price did? Price went all the way down, took our target, and then what happened next? and then price closed bearish body close. Since price closed bearish body close, so we're going to now our focus will be here. This will be our target for the week, and then I'm going to just delay part that say Monday just to have this is our weekly target, and then this is where price did the YSS, which is like yesterday's swing success. Okay, this is where price did the yesterday's swing success. So, and then so this week we are expecting price to do what? We're expecting price to go up, which price already did, like a nice retracement inside, and then highly likely we're expecting price to do pretty much the same, and just to come down here and take the low of the weekly. Okay, this is what we're expecting. As we can see, we have a very nice insight of what price really want to do, and as we can see here, and we can see that price is looking to do what? Price is looking to as we can see here, we have a violation of a MMM external block CDL on the daily, which means price is not really considering to go up again, because if price wanted to go higher, price wouldn't violate the CDL on the daily, right? Which is a sign that price highly likely want to push lower. And then price last week as well, price completely filled out this completely filled out the unfair pricing gap on the weekly. So since this weekly candle already closed, so we don't really need this unfair pricing gap anymore, because the weekly candle closed, but the weekly candle respected this unfair pricing gap. Okay, so as we can see, the weekly candle didn't close inside the unfair pricing gap, so we can still have it as a confluence. Okay, because price did not as we can see, price did not close inside of the unfair pricing gap. This is a sign. Okay, this is a sign that price will highly likely go lower. All right, and then maybe this is a sign that price respected the unfair pricing gap, and then the sign that price highly likely will go lower this week is because price close bearish body close below the swing low. Okay, so and then so this will be our weekly YSS down here, and then we're going to mark this will be our MMM CDS, because we have a bearish body close below the swing, and then this would be our MMM external block CDS for the weekly. Okay, so next stage is we are going to mark our MMM external block CDS on the weekly. This is the first thing. This is the first thing we're going to do today. Let's mark it out. This is our MMM block. Okay, remember what I said last week. Whenever you're doing, you need to focus on the things that you need to focus on are, first, you look for your MMM bias. Your MMM bias can be anything. It can be bullish body close, bearish body close, close inside with bullish affinity, close inside with bearish affinity, seek and destroy with bullish affinity or bearish affinity, and then you have a bearish affinity minus, bearish affinity plus, bullish affinity minus, bullish affinity plus. These will be your MMM bias. So first you determine, what is my MMM bias? Based on your MMM bias, you can really frame out where price wants to go. Okay, so once you finish with the once you finish with your MMM bias, okay, the next you're going to do is like you're going to locate where do you have your unfair pricing gap. Okay, where you have your unfair pricing gap and your volume imbalance, and then your opening gaps. Okay, this is the second things you'll identify. Once you identify them, so now you'll be focusing where are your MMM blocks. Okay, where are your MMM blocks? MMM internal blocks or MMM external blocks? So first you focus to find where is your latest MMM external block. So based on your MMM external block, the MMM external block will guide you we in the direction of price, of what price wants to do. This will be with the MMM external block will determine your order flow. Okay, and then after you get your external block, you look for the internal block. You'll be looking for internal blocks. If there's an internal block that causes the market to change, you will mark it a internal block CDL, and then you will look for your internal block for your entries as well. And then after you finish doing that, and then you'll be looking for your HVC. Your HVC is your highest volume candle. Your HVC will help you figure out if price want to continue higher or lower, or if price want to reverse, or if price want to retrace. Okay, because when you have a volume, when you have volume in a candle, you want to see that the price action is following up with the volume, right? And then next things you want to do, you will say, okay, where is price now? Is price in discount or in premium? Okay. After you finish doing your analysis, and then you say, okay, you start from the weekly, you go all the way down to the 15 minutes. Okay. With that being said, and then you're done with your analysis, and then you will be looking at the news now. Okay, what are my major news for the week? Okay, what are my major news for the week? Okay, once you determine what are your major news, right, and then you say, okay, so I have news these days. So these days, okay, when you have news, you let the news pass by. Okay, you don't trade during the news. You don't trade. Just wait at least a 4-hour candle or a 1-hour candle to close after the news for you to start looking for a trade. When price calm down, this is the moment you'll be looking for a trade. So me, I prefer to wait for the 4 hours, for the 10 a.m. 4 hours candle to open, and then to really know, to really take a trade. This is my preference. I figured out at this time, so you'll have plenty of things at 10 a.m., 10 a.m. to 11 or even 12. You price is already settled, and then since price is settled, you know exactly what to look for, right? So we're going to mark out this. So we know on the weekly that we have a market to change, and with a CDS on CDS on the weekly. So let's mark it out. MMM external block CDS. Okay. Okay, so let's go into one. Let's just to mark it out. MMM external block CDS. Normally it doesn't have. Let me just visibility. Let me put on the weeks, month as well. And so with that being said, we go back to the weekly so we can see our MMM block CDS. Okay, so what do we? So I'm going to mark it for the weekly. All right, I'm going to just write inside weekly CDS. Okay, let me put a bit. Let me make it bigger so you can see it. All right, and then next stage. Next stage. So since we have our bias, MMM bias, okay, we check, okay, what we already, so this is our weekly, let's delete this. Let's delete this, let's delete this. Just give me 1 second, guys. So I don't want this recording to the video. And the host, I'm just, I don't want my stream to stop, because like sometime it just stopped since I'm just being on the chart. Okay, and then it just closed by itself because I'm not really like interacting, sound, show effect, interacting on the Google Meet. So it might just close. So all the time I need to like come back, reaction move on the screen, show some others. So all right, good. We all set now. So it will be okay. Good. That's great. All right. So and then like so this is our MMM block on the daily, which price violated. Okay, so we can just leave it here just for conference. Okay, this is where the price make the market switch to change on the swing low on the weekly. So we have a market switch to change here on the weekly. Let's mark it out. Okay, so we know what price produce the market switch to change. And then so since we have it here, we can just, yeah, I can have it just have this line here. And then this our weekly low. Okay, okay, this, let's just delete all of this. This is still our all-time high, is on the weekly. And then let's mark out on our high. Okay, this HVC bearish, we already marked all of this. So we are going to mark the high of this candle. So this is our weekly high. Okay, so the weekly high. So for price, in order for price to keep going down, price shouldn't violate the weekly high. All right. So this is our weekly high. This weekly high determine that price needs to push down. Price shouldn't violate this weekly high, right? Okay, so price can come all the way up here this week, but we don't want to see price violating this level here. Okay, the weekly high, because we have a bearish body close. If price really wants to go lower, so price needs to respect the weekly high, right? And then next, since we have our order flow, so our order flow is bearish. We have a market switch to change on the bearish, so which means price highly likely might come all the way down to this weekly internal block. Okay, and then might come to fill out this part of the fair value gap. Okay, since we have an unfair pricing gap on the weekly here, price hasn't really filled this level here from here to here. Price just came inside, but price didn't fill it out completely. So we have this unfilled portion on the weekly here, and then as we can see down here as well, we have a nice volume imbalance here. So which means if price wants to keep going lower, price might come all the way down here this week or next week. I don't know. But what we are seeing is that we have a nice volume imbalance here. Okay. So on the weekly. So highly likely price might decide to come all the way down here before bouncing up again. All right. So since price leave all these hole, all these imbalances, so price needs to come back and fill them out. All right. And then so our order flow is bearish for the week. And then so next, let's go to daily. So the daily, so on Friday, what did we have on Friday? On Friday, so this weekly swing success. We have volume imbalance here, so we don't want price to come all the way up here to violate this level. All right. So these are CDS on the daily as well. As we were looking the other week, I was saying that if price wants to go lower, price can come inside of this unfair pricing gap, but price shouldn't violate this HVC bearish on the daily. Remember, we talked about that last week. That price shouldn't violate. Okay, price shouldn't violate this HVC. This external block CDS on the 4 hour. Okay, but so what the price did? Price came exactly inside of the unfair pricing gap. Okay, but didn't fill it out completely. It still leaves some portion unfilled behind. Okay, so which means if price wants were to go higher in the near future, okay, highly likely price might come all the way up here and fill out this unfair pricing gap, because remember, the price hate to see there's a hole. Okay, the price will always try to balance and rebalance. Okay, because the main goal of price is to balance, to facilitate in the exchange between buyers and sellers in a way that it is very efficient and with fairness. Okay, so if we check if once we are in the daily, so we are going to determine what is our what is our MMM bias. Okay, our MMM bias on the daily, we had a close inside with bullish affinity. Close inside with bullish affinity. Let's mark it out. Okay, let's mark it out. So on the daily, we had a close inside with bullish affinity, with a bullish affinity plus. Okay, close inside. This was a close inside with bullish affinity. It was just a close inside with bullish affinity. Sorry, it was a close inside with bullish affinity. Okay, close inside with bullish affinity, high and low. And then what did we see? Price came exactly on top of here. This is what this is the predict. This was our prediction for today, based on the MMM bias. So this will have been your target for today. Okay, this will have been your target for today. Okay, today's target. Okay, this will have been your target for today. And then this is the low. Okay. And then, so what did we see? Okay, price came exactly as predicted by the MMM bias. Bullish, closing side with bullish affinity. And then price came in, took the high. Okay, so after we get our bias, and then but let's check the overall bias. Our overall bias is still bearish. Remember that. So we have another market to change here. Okay, so we have another MMM external block here on the daily. Okay, we have a MMM external block on the daily here, and then now we have an MMM internal block here. Okay, so this is an MMM internal block with CDL. Okay, because this MMM block, internal block, since we can only have one external block, but we can have an MMM internal block CDL. Okay, because CDS, because this internal block okay, because this internal block made a market structure change. Okay, since this internal block made a market structure change, okay, so this remember internal block CDS on what? On the daily. Okay, we have a very powerful confluence here. Okay, very powerful confluence. Okay, so let's make this bigger. Let's say 16. Right, so this is a huge confluence which consolidated that price wants to keep pushing lower, right? But still we have a volume imbalance here on the daily. Okay, we cannot ignore that because we have a volume imbalance here on the daily. Let's just make it midline here, and then let's make the so we can really see the border here. So from here to here we have a volume imbalance on the daily. Let's make this let's say 14 so we can see it much better. And then so we still have this unfair pricing gap here because the market hasn't really filled out this leftover on the daily. Let's check out really well. See, the market still leave this little space on the daily. Okay, unfilled portion. This is an unfilled portion on the daily. Okay, it's in the 4 hours. Seems like it's in the 4 hours. Or see, so the market hasn't really filled out this part of the unfair pricing gap, which means see the market is leaving this clue behind. So this unfair pricing gap, it's on the 4 hour on the daily as well. So which means the market is leaving. Okay, not unfair pricing gap, unfilled portion. This unfilled portion of the this unfilled portion is on the 4 hour and on the daily, which means if price is leaving this clue behind that at some point in the future I might come back here, because price will never leave this hole, okay, unmitigated. Price will always come and fill them out. So we need to be very careful. Okay, at some point in the future, even we are like experiencing a bearish order flow, but price is leaving behind a lot of clue that at some point in the future, we don't know when, but we need to mark them out. Most of these unfilled portion, they are very important. So most of the time we might forget about them. I think price is just doing them on purpose. If you forget about them, and then when price might come all the way up here, just come out and fill it out and push all the way down. Okay, and then we have a volume imbalance here. Okay, and then if we are looking down, so we have an MMM internal block CDS. Okay, and we have our external block here on H4, and then price came all the way down here. What do we have here? Another unfair pricing gap on the daily. Okay, unfair pricing gap on the daily. Okay, What? Very, very sweet. Very, very sweet. What price did? Price came exactly inside of it and push down. Okay. And as you can see price, whole price is respecting this MMM block. Okay. So price violated this MMM block. Remember, this is our MMM external block on the daily. Do you see how price violated the MMM block on the daily with power, with strength, which means price wants to push lower because this is an MMM block. You have a lot of order here. If price want to go lower, price needs to violate with power, with strength. You see, price just could push down and close, uh, and close, bearish body close. Okay, and then price we trace inside. Do you see how price is price reacted to the MMM block exactly to the tick? Okay, see, price came inside of the MMM in external block, freshly violated, and then the bear pushed price down. Price try again, push price down. So now this is a third try. Okay, and then the market is still like the bear are still resisting on pushing price down. Okay, so what are we expecting for this week? Is that price? Okay, maybe we don't know if whole price will close today. Okay, we don't know how price will close today. We don't know if price will come all the way up here and fill out this unfair pricing gap or this volume imbalance on the daily. We don't know. Okay, but we hope this daily candle close bearish or like a bearish affinity or bearish affinity plus. Okay, or this price or close bearish body close. But I mean, like it might take a lot of time for this price to close bearish body close, which means price needs to come all the way down here. Okay, but at least we might expect a nice bearish affinity plus here or bearish affinity minus today. Okay, we might expect that. Or if price wants to go, or if price wants to just retrace back and go all the way up here, we might see a nice bullish body close. But we don't know yet. We just go with the flow. For now, price just came inside of this unfair pricing gap. Let's mark it. This is the unfair pricing gap on the daily. Okay, price just came inside of it. Unfair pricing gap on the daily. Yep, and price came inside of it. Let me just make it like 14 so we can see it much better, right? And then just price just came inside of it and just tap in. Okay, just tap in. Okay. So we can just still leave this MMM external block violated here. So you can just use it as a kind of point of control that price, if price wants to keep moving, we will always have a reaction at this point of the MMM external block, because you remember all the MMM external block, we have a lot of orders at this level. So this is where price highly likely to push up or push down. If price wanted to go up, I will expect price today like just violate this unfair pricing gap. Okay, if price come all the way up here, close above, and then close inside of the unfair pricing gap during this week. Okay, so highly likely we can expect price to come all the way up here. But so far so good. Price is looking very good. Everything is in confluence, which means like the weekly is in confluence with the daily, and we are seeing a lot of very, very nice things. And then price came inside here, touched the unfair pricing gap. Okay, but it leave all price leave all this unfilled portion behind. Okay, so this now we have a very, very nice unfilled portion behind on the daily. So we can just know that price already come inside the unfair pricing gap and leave a lot of unfilled portion behind on daily. So today we are expecting price to close either bearish affinity plus or bearish affinity minus, which will tell us that price wants to keep pushing lower. Okay, and so it all depends. Okay, so and then so this so our daily target is already done. Price is done with our daily target. So and as we can see, we can check out what is our HVC on the daily. What is our HVC on the daily? Okay, so let's put the volume indicator to see. Okay, this our big wow. See, price is in confluence. See, this our HVC. This is our HVC bearish on the daily. Okay, so we're going to mark our HVC bearish, which is this is so beautiful. Okay, this is so beautiful. We have an HVC bearish here. This is our HVC bearish now. Okay, let me just delete this trade I took the other day. Oh, plenty of them. All right. So we're going to mark our HVC bearish. So remember what I said about the HVC. HVC price cannot violate price. So if price wants to continue lower, we don't want to see price. Price can come on top of this HVC to take the orders, because there's a lot of sellers at this level, a lot of sellers. Remember, I always say on top of every single candlestick, okay, on top of the high of every single candlestick, you will find sellers. And on the low of every single candlestick, no matter where the candles, where do you have it, weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, second, okay, on the hour, okay, you always find buyers on the low of every single candle, and sellers on the high of every single candle. No matter what type of candle it is, in which time frame it is, you'll always find buyers on the high and sellers, you'll find sellers on the high and buyers on the low of the candle. Okay. With that being said, we see price came exactly, took the orders on top of the HVC bearish, and then this price is pushing down now. Okay, so where is our HVC bullish? Where is our highest candle, bullish candle? Okay, so this our highest volume candle on the daily. Highest bullish HVC. So at the same level, we have an HVC bullish, which means when price came to this level, you might expect a very strong reaction when price take this low. Right? We'll see a lot of buyers coming in. So if the sellers are very strong, the sellers need to close below this low, or push past it with power, with strength, with force, which will say the sellers have control of the market. Okay, if so, we want to see the sellers when they come to this level. We expect at this day that price close bearish body close. Okay, if price doesn't close bearish body close this day, which means the bulls still wants to they either put, when price came to this level, the bulls, you'll have a lot of we have a very strong reaction. So if you were to target this level here, try to take profit at this level or before, because when price arrives here, you'll find a lot of buyers coming in. They will push price up. So whenever you feel like you're close to this level here, which is 54.4500, if you were to target a short, if you were to take a short at this level here, so make sure that you take profit at this level, because once price came to this level, remember this is our HVC bullish, price will react with strength, with power, aggressively. So you take profit at this level. Don't let price go back with your retrace, because if price retrace on this level, you don't know if price will go all the way up here again or if price will push down. Just take your profit at this level here, because you might say, okay, price is very close to the weekly target, it might just push down. No, just take your profit at every single HVC, bullish or bearish, whatsoever it is. Whenever you see an HVC, this is the best point to take your profit, because price will react with aggressivity at this point. Okay, and then once we figured out our HVC, and then what you can see here, price came here and completely violate. See, remember last week I already deleted it. Remember last week I said that price, we have this unfair pricing gap here last week. Okay, and then we have this unfilled portion. Remember what I said? Price will always come to these levels to fill out this unfilled portion, whether you like it or not. You see? We see the reaction of this candle here, exactly to the point of the unfilled portion. The MMM is something very, very, very precise. Okay? Because I spent hours and hours in and out trying to understand the market the simplest way possible. That's why you might see the MMM is very, 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 very precise. My model, the Max Maserati model, is very precise. You see, I was saying last week that price came inside of this unfair pricing gap and then push up. So price leaves this unfilled portion here. This unfilled portion needs to be filled. You see, this candle pushed aggressively close below the MMM external block on the daily. Okay, now we can just delete it. I explained everything I want to explain about this. Excuse me. And then price, you see where price react exactly to the same level as the on-field portion. What a beauty! What a beauty! And then what did price do? And then price open and we trade back and push down to do what? To to completely fill the on-field portion. Okay. And what do we have next? Okay, we can just delete this. I was just showing you an example. And then now our next level where we expect price to come is to this level here. Okay, we expect price to come and fill out this on-field portion here. We have this on-field portion on the daily, so price highly likely will come to this level. And then when price comes to this level, you might have a very wild reaction. Okay, and then let's mark out the unfair pricing gap as well. Okay, this is the unfair pricing gap. This is on the daily. So we have so many confluence that price highly likely push lower. Okay, so we're just mapping. We are just mapping the market. Yeah, and then yeah, this is the unfair pricing gap on the daily. Let me make it a bit bigger so you can see it. And 14, let's say. Yeah, and then this is the unfair pricing gap. This is the unfair portion on the daily. Right? This is the UP daily. Unfair portion on the daily. Okay. Okay, so we're expecting price to do what this week? To come all the way down here and even go all the way down here, take this liquidity here. We have a very, very nice liquidity, like kind of, this is a kind of trend line liquidity. So we will have a lot of buyers at this level, buyers. And then let me put this bigger so you can see it. So we'll have buyers at this level. This is not H1, this is daily. On the daily, we'll have buyers at this level. Let's go. Let's just drag it out, copy. And we have buyers at this level as well. So we might see this week price can come all the way down here. Take all this, because you have a lot of orders at this level. Let's 53 11 75, 53 26 50. Okay. And so what's next? So and then we check where is price. Price is in discount on the daily. Okay, price is in discount on the daily. Okay, in between discount and premium on the daily. Okay, since we are not like a long term, we are not like we are just daily. We are a day trader, so we don't really premium and discount is good for us, but in the lower time frame, like the 1 hour, the 15 minutes, and 5 and lower time frame. But in the daily, weekly, we can just have a brief overview where is price, so we can really decide and focus what can be done. Making a bit of water, and then we say, okay, next, what's next? Okay, we're going to in the 4 hour. Okay, we're going in the 4 hour. Remember, that's something I always say about the 4 hour, and that the 10 a.m. The 10 p.m. the 10 p.m. candle of the 4 hour. It's one of the best if you want to take a trade before 9:30. Okay, before 9:30, there's the 10 p.m. candle. The 10 p.m. this candle here is the best candle to take to base your trade on before 9:30. Okay, it will give you an insight of what price wants to do for before 9:30. I really like this candle. You always find this candle will tell you exactly what to do. Okay, and then you can base your trade. If you're trading based on the 4 hour, you can base your trade on the 4 hour candle. And if you're taking trade in the morning before 9:30. If you're taking trade after 9:30, I prefer to base my trade. I prefer to base my trade after the 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. candle close before hour. Okay, so basically, I will go more in depth with this kind of little things in my class. So I'm planning to do an advanced class. Okay, an advanced class which will be over 3 weekends. 3 weekends will be on the advanced class will be on the next. It will start next weekend. Let me give you some detail about it. I will be posting it. Okay, it will be on August. It will be August 3rd, 4th, 10th, 11th, 17th, and 18th of August. I'll have a class at these days. Okay, exactly. The classes, the class highly likely be around 6 p.m. London, 1 p.m. New York time. Okay, 1 p.m. New York time, or it might be 1 p.m. New York time. This is at the time I have this class. The cost will be like 350, and this is the class I'm planning to go in depth about the Max Maserati model. And I'll give you also. I'll talk about the 3 types of entry you can find with the Max Maserati model, and then so you can know exactly when to enter and how to enter. So for now, I'm just for the general public, I just teach 1 type of entry, and then but I have 2 ways you can enter using the same analysis in everything, but I have the 2 specific way you can enter a trades. But this I will be teaching it in the class as well. All right, so far so good. So what we are seeing now, so we normally I will be base our trade based on this candle here, right? So let's check out what do we have here. We have and we can say this is let's measure the this is a seek and destroy. So we need to measure it to know. So this 0.35%, 0.35% for the bull, and 0.25 for the bear. Okay, so this is a seek and destroy with what? With bullish affinity. Seek and destroy with bullish affinity. Okay. Hi. Seek and destroy with bullish affinity. Okay. Seek and destroy with bullish affinity low. Okay. So in the 4-hour, we have a seek and destroy with bullish affinity. Since we have a seek and destroy with bullish affinity, which means that remember the strongest bias candle are the bullish body close, bearish body close, bullish body close, bearish body close, bearish affinity plus, bearish affinity minus. These 4 are the strongest bias you can have. They are the most secure one. Out of all the other one, okay, they can give you an insight, okay, about what price wants to do, but you need to connect everything together. Okay, since this price came inside on top of an HVC bearish on the daily, came inside of the unfair pricing gap on the daily as well. Okay, and then we have a seek and destroy situation, which means that price either take the high or take the low. Okay, but since price is coming from since price is already coming from a HVC bearish on the daily, UPG on the daily, so we highly likely not expect price to take this high. Okay, so but to find this confluence, to decide with this confluence, okay, we need to do what? We need to go on the hourly chart. Okay, so we'll go down there in a few seconds. Okay, so as we can see here, price we have a bearish body close here. So we're expecting this candle to be bearish body close. It wasn't bearish, bullish body close. Okay, instead it was a close inside with bullish affinity, and then this candle was a bullish body close, we were expecting this to be a bullish body close or to take this high. It didn't. Okay, so price did a lot of mitigation here, which means like the buyers and the sellers are fighting a lot to take control of price within these candles here, from here to here. Okay, but finally at 9:30, I guess, price just take this high. Okay, so now what we're seeing, that price did the job here. Okay, but now price is pushing what? Pushing down. And then remember, so let's put the so we let's mark this unfair pricing down here on the 4-hour. Okay. Okay, unfair pricing down 4-hour. Okay, so we're expecting price to come all the way down here. Okay, so now let's check. Okay, so we can say, okay, this is a nice retracement. Okay, this is a very nice retracement because price we have a bearish order flow. Okay, bearish order flow. Okay, and then price created what? A market to change here at this level. So the price created a CDS on H4 here, and then this another CDL here because the price created a market to change. Okay, because if we didn't have an opening gap here, okay, this would have been a bearish body close. Okay, at the opening gap. So we have an opening gap here, from here to here. We have an opening gap. Okay, on the 4-hour. So we need to mark it out as well. Is our opening gap on the 4-hour between the open. Okay, let's mark our opening gap. Opening gap. Okay, 4-hour, and then let's make it bigger. Okay, H4. So one advice I will give you guys: never worry about price. Never worry about you to take a trade without you doing your daily analysis, your weekly analysis. You just chill, do your analysis first. Okay, and then here, what do we have? We have a market structure change here. Okay, and then we mark this. This is our internal block CDS on the 4-hour. Okay, because we already have a external block, so these are an internal block CDS. Okay, let's mark it out. It's our internal block CDS. What? I cannot see it on H4. Okay, this is MMM internal block CDS on what? For H4. Okay. Okay, so always wait for price to tell you what to do. Never enter the market without you doing your analysis. Never, ever, ever. Even you see prices pushing down, do not worry. Do not worry. Just chill. Wait for price. Okay. Wait. Do your daily analysis to really understand what price is telling you. Okay. And then so we finish this our order flow. Okay, we basically don't really have anything here. This really didn't really cause any market to change here. Okay, so we all clear. So the price came inside of this unfair pricing gap here on the 4-hour. This is filled. This is filled. So we have a portion on fill here. So let's mark it out. Okay, and then there's a portion on fill here. So this unfair pricing gap on the 4-hour as well. On the 4-hour. And then this is a let's mark the on-field portion. Okay, we're going to mark the on-field portion now. All right, and then so price came all the way out here on the 4-hour, and then this is our on-field portion. Let's mark it out because remember, price will not leave these. Will not leave these without. Will not leave them behind without filling them. Whether it's today, whether it's tomorrow, whether it's 10 years, 15 years, price will always come back to fill them out. Always come back to fill them out. Always. Okay? On fill portion, well, on the 4-hour. In the 4-hour, yeah. And then, so what we expect? Okay, we highly expect. So we have our settlement line here. If price really want to push lower, price needs to close bearish body close below the settlement line. See how price is crossing the settlement line, which means the settlement line is the line where buyers and sellers decided to close price on Friday. Okay, so price we now what do we want to do? We want to see price close, bearish body close here, and then we trace back. Okay, we trace back, react again from the settlement line and push down, maybe down here to the unfair pricing gap. We don't know, but at least we expect this 4-hour candle to close bearish body close. If price want to push lower, price needs to show strength. Price needs to show power. And we have it's okay, this is already violated. So we're expecting if this price close bearish body close, we will have a PO4 bearish here. Okay. And then we expect next candle to do what? To close bearish body close. If next candle close bearish body close below the swing low here, we will have a market to change. We have another internal block with market to change. Okay, which means price really want to push down. Okay, really want to push down. Okay, so here we expect price to close below this low to really tell us that the bear are in control. So once price close below the swing low, price will highly likely make a MMM internal block CDS. Okay, so which means the buyers are in control, and then we highly likely come all the way down here, take this unfair pricing gap. But it all depends of this 4-hour candle. Okay, and then as we can see here, we have a bullish body close here with buyers here, bullish body close with the buyers here, so price might react. Okay, so and then let's check. As we can see here, price is in discount, and then price came up here, couldn't really push up to premium, which means it is a kind of retracement. Price retrace. Okay, and then now we expect this price to close bearish body close. If it close bearish body close, this will confirm that price wants to take this swing. And then once price take this swing and close bearish body close, it will confirm that why price wants to do that, to come out and take the orders of these buyers here and orders here, and we will be waiting for a reaction here. We have a lot of very nice confluence. Well, okay, so we have buyers here, and then we have buyers here. Okay, so we expect price to come all to this is a buyers bullish body close, which means we expect price to react in a violent way from this level, because it's the buyers bullish body close. Okay, in what? In 4 hour H4. Okay, in H4. Okay, next, what do we have next? We just have a normal buyers candle, so we expect price to react to this level, this liquidity, since we have buyers here. So which means the buyers will buy, the sellers will bring price here, so the buyers can buy, and the buyers will buy from this level here. Let me make it a bit bigger. Here we go. Okay, so we expect price to react from here, and react here from this unfair pricing gap. Okay, so we go to the 1 hour. The 1 hour close what? Bearish body close. Bearish body close. So we expect price to do what? To come and close below this low. Okay, so now we have a very, very nice bearish body close with what? This is a C2. This is a C2 candle. This C2 candle, no, it's not a C2 candle. 1, 2, 3 here. So so we have an MMM block. Okay, on the 1 hour. This is our first external block in the 1 hour. Okay, this is our external block in the 1 hour here in this swing. Okay, it's a very, very nice market. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. I'm liking it. Is it see my 1, 2, 3? No, it didn't produce in. No, it didn't produce in market city change. Okay, so market city change will be like this. If we have a bearish body close here, we will have the market city change here. Okay, market city change will be here if this price close bearish. Okay, and then what's next? What's next? What are we expecting price to do now? Okay, we're expecting price to close bearish body close. Okay, below this low here, 1, 2, 3. This is our swing low. Huh? Oh, we don't have a swing low here. So the swing is all the way down here. This is a swing low. We'll love to see price close bearish body close. As I was saying, guys, see price on the in the 1 hour, price already did the job. Price close, bearish body close below the settlement line. Okay, and you see price came back and then pushed down with strength, with power. So we're expecting this price today at least take this low, maybe come to this unfair pricing gap in the 4 hour. Okay, this is what we are looking for. This is the scenario we're looking for, right? And what's next? What can we expect next? Yeah, this price is looking very nice. Very, very nice. To be honest, this price is looking very, very nice. Very, very nice. I like it. Very, really like it. Yeah. And then next, so highly likely price is looking to take this low. It's so cool. All right. But we need to go in the 1 minute if we could find a very, very nice shape. Okay. We need to go to the 1 minute. And yeah, I need to connect. Just give me 1 second, guys. I need to connect my laptop. It's getting out of charge. Yeah, it's getting out of charge. Let me just connect, and then we can start. We can continue, right? Okay, so next things. What do we have? We have a bearish body close. Price already did this job in the 1 minute. So let's mark. We don't have any unfair pricing gap yet. We already marked everything out. So we are highly likely looking to take a bear. We are like a short. Okay. So let's check the 15 minutes. If we can find something nice, the 15 minutes is in getting inside of like the trending area here, which means we're expecting price to do what? To keep pushing lower. All right, and maybe take this low. I think the price target here now is this low. Okay, so and then we have a market switch change here in the 15 minutes. We have a market switch change here in the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, this will be our market switch change. Okay, this will be our market switch change in the 15 minutes. Our market switch change, which means we have a MMM external block here on the 15 minute. MMM external block here, 15 minutes. Very nice. Price is so nice, guys. And I love to do price analysis with the MMM. It's so beautiful. It's just gorgeous. I love it. Love it. Oh, this is the 15 minutes. Okay, we have our external above on the 15 minutes. Guys, there's a lot of update on the indicator. A lot of update coming in. I'm just testing. That's why I haven't launched it yet. Yeah, you see? And then price did a market switch change here, and then price push up inside, and then you see price reacted from this level. It give us a PO4, and then but it gave us a PO4, so we could have just go down here on the 1 minute and find a nice trade here. Okay, in the 1 minute. But this is our PO4, and then price came inside of the price came inside of the of this let me drink some water, guys. My price came inside of the unfair pricing gap. Price came inside of the unfair pricing gap. Okay, and then what we can see here as well, remember, we need to mark everything. So as we can see here, price is reacting from this level here. Price reacting from what? Price reacting to this level because we have what? We have a MMM external block here in the 4 hour. This was the level that pushed price down. Okay, so we're going to mark it, our MMM block from this to okay. Well, this is a C2. Oh, price already violated it. Oh, this was a very nice shade. This was a C2, guys. The C2 are the most powerful PO4. Whenever you have a C2, like the C2 is like when price form both a unfair pricing gap. When the PO4 is the string low as well. This is the C2, a C2 PO4. They are the most powerful one, which means price by crossing this level here, price say, oh, I'm going lower, guys. I'm going lower. Okay, so this was a CDL on the 15 minutes. Yeah, and then price, and then this it was a C2, and price crossed it with power, guys, with power, with strength. That's so cool. It's very, very cool. Love it. And it's lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And then next, what are we looking at? And then we'll go on the 1 minute, since price already tell us everything we need to know. And then this is the 5 minutes. Everything is, oh, so the 5 minutes, we highly likely expecting price to give us a nice entry. Wow, so price is in discount, deep discount, deep discount. If price want to keep pushing, yeah, deep discount. So we highly likely have a nice entry, guys. I hope so. That price came back inside of a premium, and then give us a nice entry. Highly likely this is our HVC. Let's check. This is a nice HVC bearish. Okay, so this needs to follow up. If this doesn't follow up, price will highly likely take this high. If price take this high, okay, and close on top of this candle, we highly likely expect price to keep pushing higher and give us our entry. Yeah, this price is looking nice. So, and price is in discount now. Okay, so let's mark out. So we have our market to change here. Okay, we have our market to change here. Since we have our market to change here, so we're expecting price to do what? Nice market to change on the daily. Yeah. So highly likely this candle will close be on if this candle close on top of this HVC bearish here, which means price will retrace and give us a nice entry. Oh, this is looking nice. This MMM block CDS on the 1 minute. All right. Oh, it'll be a very nice entry though. Yeah. If price were to retrace back inside of premium. Yeah, so price come but didn't close. Okay, so now we'll be tracking this candle to see if price will close above it. All right, this will be our HVC1, because price already took the HVC. This will be our HVC1. So we will be tracking whenever we have a body close on top. Okay, so to see if price will violate this high, okay, give us a nice entry in discount, in premium, to take a short. Because what we're looking now, we're looking to take a short. Let's see if price will give it to us. Didn't. Yeah, it didn't really give us a short. The best short will have been here. See, this is the best short. See, this is the external block on the 1 minute. Okay, when price, I think after price cross here. Okay, price didn't give the entry here. Okay, you see, when price touched the unfair pricing gap, price didn't give any entry, and then price went all the way down. You just wait at this moment in time. You just wait. Okay, and then price created a market to change here, but didn't really give any entry when price came back here. Okay, and then price created market to change here, and then after price retraced, and then price did what? Price created a bearish body close. We haven't really have a very nice entry so far, so which means highly likely this price might retrace and give us a nice entry, but we don't know. We don't know. Let me check on the 5 minute if we could have a nice short. Yeah, there's a market structure change here on in the 5 minutes. Oh, the 5 minutes is here. Market structure change. Oh, market structure change here. 5 minute market structure change here, and price retrace. Okay, but price was in between discount and premium and push down. I think the best entry will have been in the 15 second. That's why, for example, me, what I do when price come inside of this level, like of high level of confidence. For example, when price is coming inside of, let me just make the, let me take this volume away. Okay, when price come inside, when price come inside of this high level of confluence, okay, when price comes inside of this high level of confluence, so I like to have the second candles, like 15 second, 5 second, like for example, what I open in front of me, 5 second, 15 second, and 1 minute, okay, and then to see, you know what I mean, to see, because they will allow you to see much better, okay, what price wants to do. Okay, seems like price now wants to push a little bit higher. Okay, they will allow you to see what price wants to do. Okay, for example, here 5 minutes, 6 seconds. If I have market to change at this level, market to change here. Okay, and then price come retrace. Or price didn't really retrace inside of this count. Market to change was here, and did price retrace? Price didn't really retrace. Okay, this is the only price fully retrace. Oh yeah, this is the only place where price fully retrace here. Okay, wow, this is the best. This is the best short here. This would have been your best short. 1, 2, 2, done. Okay, and then price came here. Market to change. Okay, these are market to change here. Price in discount. Okay, price in premium. Market to change here. Price went inside of premium or in between. So no trade. It would have been only one trade so far. So nothing. Wouldn't miss anything. Wouldn't miss anything. So far, this is where price is at this level here. And then as we can see here, price is debating. So let's check. This is the 15 second. In the 15 second, price created a market swing to change here. Okay. And then price is inside of this count. See, price still respect this level. But I wouldn't take a trade because I'm looking for short. But if you were to take a long, this would have been a nice trade. But I wouldn't take this trade because we are looking for long and price is like looking like consolidating. Okay. So my price created market swing to change here, and then price came down, respected this low, created a PO4, and then we traced back inside of it. This would have been the trade would have been at this level here if you were to take a long. But normally you wouldn't, because I teach you not to. If you're looking for short, you focus on short. So your trade would have been here. Would have been a dangerous trade, but not would have worked. But since we are looking for long, we just focus on long. For short, we just focus on short. One tick below, 1, 2, 2. Okay, 1, 2, 2. Exactly to the tick. 1, 2, 2. Boom. Done. Okay, so now price created market swing to change here. Okay, so we're just looking at price. What price is doing? So highly likely price in the 1 minute needs to create a yeah. See? So price created market swing to change here, but we don't worry about that. This because we are fully bearish, but we're expecting price to come to discount. We don't know when. Now we have a CDL. Will price respect the CDL? We don't know. But I wouldn't take it long. I would be waiting for my short. It's on M1. Okay, CDL on M1. Let's see what price wants to do. If price wants to go higher, price highly likely create a bullish body close here. But I don't think so. But we are expecting price to go to premium. And did price violated this HVC? Yes. But this candle didn't follow up. See? HVC violated. Okay. Our biggest candle violated. If I could find a nice trade today and take it, that would be so nice. Okay. Price created market swing to change here. Bullish market swing to change. and then we have an MMM external block on the 1 minute. Okay, so which means what we're expecting price to retrace to premium. You can find a trade. Our price didn't create any market to change. He didn't give any PO4, which means price is highly likely to do what? Maybe price might come all the way up here. We don't know, or price. I don't know what price wants to do. But we're expecting price to go for premium, and we can find a nice trade to go short. Do you have any? Do you have any question, guys? Do you have any questions? You can ask your questions. Yeah, see, price tell you not to enter, because if price is not really giving us any insight. See, price is retracing inside of premium. So let's see where price wants to go, or what price wants to do. Yeah, as expected, market see to change, but still we're expecting this price to push down. Let's check 15 minutes. Yeah, bearish body close, which means price didn't take this low, which means this is a retracement. So you need to always check 15 minutes. So price highly likely we react to this level here, okay, and push down. Okay, this is just a retracement. So we might expect, if price might create price might create an unfair pricing gap here, or price might just completely fill it, or price might just come all the way up here and react to this unfair pricing gap and push down. Okay, so let's see how this 15-minute will close, and if we will get our premium price come to premium and give us a nice entry. This is what we're looking for. That price push all the way down. Yeah, let's see how this 15-minute will close. Is the 1 hour. Okay, the 1 hour. Block on there. Here, but let's see, and then this is our MMM external block on the 1 hour as well. We have it market. This is CDL external on the 1 hour, MMM external block CDL. Oh, CDL. This MMM external block CDL in the 1 hour. And mark this. So which means price is reacting to this CDL here. Okay, because this 1, 2, 3. No, this one. Oh no, this is not a CDL. This is just an MMM block. Didn't produce any market to change. Block. This is just an MM block. H1. Didn't really produce any market to change. But as we can see, price is reacting to this level here, to this MM block. Okay, on H1. So will this candle close bearish body close or bullish body close? Okay, if price, what price is looking to do now? Okay, are we expecting a reaction here? Will price, so this is 15 minutes. We are looking only 1 minute left to close. So highly likely we might see price either close bearish body close, or price close, or we have a close inside to form an unfair pricing gap, and then price tap inside of this unfair pricing gap, or type inside of this unfair pricing gap and then push down. So this is our case scenario. The case scenario is that price close inside, a nice close inside with bullish affinity. Highly likely. This 15 minutes. The 15 minutes, okay, we might have a nice close inside, okay, with bullish affinity. And then next candle, we tap inside of this or this unfair pricing gap and then push down. This is what we might expect from price. Oh, I don't know. And then price might even like rebound from this level here. Okay. So now we're just waiting for price to tell us exactly what to do. Okay. Yeah, we're just waiting for price to tell us what to do. Yeah, so it closed bullish, close inside. Close inside bullish with bullish affinity. Okay. So best case scenario that we would like to see that price come inside of this unfair pricing gap and then push down with strength, with power. Okay. And then come and take this low, like a nice retrace back, push up, and then push down, or just push down. Price, well, let's check. If I just push down, that would be awesome. Oh, price is very strong. Wow, this candle is very strong. Okay, so we highly likely, let's see the reaction from this. Oh, seems like we're taking the low of the RM block. We came inside of this count, yeah, but we are in between both of them. Now with this candle, this is our highest HVC candle in the 1 minute. So we don't want to see price close above this high. Price needs to respect this high. Yeah, you'll find a very nice trade in the maybe this is our HVC bearish. 1 minute. Yeah, so price will take highly likely take the low. Let's wait and see what price wants to do. If price didn't give us our entry, just expecting plus. Do you have any questions, guys? Do you have any questions? I was hoping that this market went like a bit higher up, at least in discount, and then stay in this in premium and give us a nice entry, but price didn't. So sad. Price didn't give us the entry. This would have been a very nice trade. Okay, well, let's keep looking. Wow, you see on the 15 second. See the trade on the 15 second. Very, very nice trade. 15 seconds. Very, very nice trade. Market stick to change. 15 second. Market stick to change. Here. Price is in discount. Okay. Price give another PO4. Okay. On the 15 second, you can just enter down this candle here. See, now price is pushing down. Basically, we miss this nice trade. It didn't give us the trade in 1 minute. That's why you always need to have like 15 minutes open, not 5 seconds, 15 seconds, and 1 minute open when you're taking your trades. It is very, very helpful. Very, very helpful. Since I'm just looking in one screen, I couldn't really see it on time. This would have been a very nice trade. I simply change, retrace, PO4. Normally, when I'm entering the 15 second and the 5 second, I just enter right after the PO, this PO4. I don't really expect price to retrace because like 15 seconds is quite fast. 15, 10, 5 seconds. So now, so we have the bias here. Remember, we have the bias here on the 4 hour. So price needs to push down here with strength, with power. See, price is already in discount here, which means when price touch this level, we might expect a nice reaction. Price might like retreat inside of the candle, boom, or pass it with strength. Are we getting a bearish body close? Bearish body close, or which means the sellers are the boss. The sellers are the boss. The sellers control everything. They are the boss. Let's see. We are still in the 15 seconds, so nothing for sure here. Just looking for a nice entry. Just waiting for a nice entry, guys. So I can take a nice trade with you today. Possible. Do you have any questions? Any questions, guys? So let's see the reaction. See the reaction after price take this level. If we go to the 1 minute now, remember under every single candle, what do we have? We have buyers. On the low of every single candle, we have buyers. So if you were to take your profit, it should have been at this exact level here. 4 hours buyers, and then check in the 1 hour. You see, price came exactly to where we expected price to react. You see the reaction as we predicted it earlier, that when price comes to this level where you have a buyers, price will react strongly. But that doesn't mean price is not bearish. But this is the best moment you take your profit, because you don't know what price will do. Will price continue lower or higher? Right? You just take your profit, and we just keep looking for trades like a short. And then, so highly likely, we still have a lot of orders here. Price want to fulfill, and here as well. So yeah, and look at the 4 hour. This is the reaction on the 4 hour. As I was saying earlier, that price will react strongly to this level, and we have our HVC bullish here. So this is violated. So this our HVC bearish is here at this level. So we don't expect price to close above this level here. This is our HVC in 1 minute. Okay, still 1 minute. It's still very powerful. HVC is very powerful. Whether it's 1 minute, 1 hour, it's very, very powerful. So we have the reaction we are waiting for, and then here as well, we have another reaction here. Let's put this like in like a dotted line, since it's liquidity, and we expect the price to come to this level. But highly likely price continue and take this low. We don't know if price wants to keep going all the way down today. But what we're seeing here, we are liking it. It's so beautiful. It's gorgeous. And on the 1 hour, we have an MM external block on the 1 hour. Is this 1 hour? How is this external block? Was it in the 1 hour? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this MM external block in the 1 hour, which was respected, and then price pushed up. Okay, so this external block was based on this candle here. See, was based on this candle. So highly likely price come all the way down to this level, okay, and have another reaction from this level. But what we expect, when price came to this level here, price will react very strongly. Remember, this HVC on the daily, and as we can see, my system is so precise. Since we have an H, this is a closing side with bullish affinity, right, on the daily, and we have an HVC on the 4 hour, on the daily as well. And then what do you see here? What do we have here? What do we have here? We have a volume imbalance here, which means like this level is very, very strong. We have a volume imbalance in 1 minute. There's like a kind of gap. This is a gap. You can say a gap and a volume imbalance type of at this level. So which means everything is connected. Price, everything is connected. If you can connect price, and the MMM will help you to connect price, will help you to connect everything together. Everything together. Okay, this is H1. Okay, this is a volume imbalance. Let me make it bigger so you can see it, guys. Okay, we just started. What time we started? We started at 10, 3, just 1 hour here so far. So everything is connected. So price. So as I was saying, that I expect price, when price comes to this level, price will just react here and then push up. Okay, before even take the weekly target. So you expect price to react to this level. So if you were to take profit from this level. Okay. And we have an unfair pricing gap here in the 1 hour. Let's mark it out as well. Mark them. The MMM, if you master my system, if you master it, if you understand it, if you master the MMM, your understanding of price will be so high, will be the best of the best. You understand price in a way that that is, it will like crystal clear. Reading price will be crystal clear for you. I guarantee you that. Once you master the MMM, you understand how it works. It will help you. It will help you to connect the pieces together. Okay. So this H4, and then at this H4 level here, so price came inside of this unfair pricing gap in the 1 hour, and then let's mark it out. Okay, let's mark it out, and then here we go. Mark it out, and then unfair pricing gap on the 1 hour. Let's mark it out. Okay, so and then let's mark normally just follow the rules and then do the things like one by one. Me, have experience, but just do them bias every single time frame, and then mark every single point of control where you think price might come and react. Okay, these are on fill portion in the 1 hour, on fill portion in 1 hour. UP in UPH1. Guys, do you have any questions? Are you listening? Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions you want to ask me? Anyone have any questions you want to ask? Anyone have any questions you want to ask? Any questions you want to ask, guys? Okay. You see the reaction, guys. You see what I was saying? So when price come at this, where you have like these buyers on the H4, price will react very strongly from this level. Very, very strongly. Yeah, so now price created a market to change here. So price violated this one. This is 15 seconds, guys. See? Even price created, you see, market switch to change, okay, with bearish body close. Okay, I'm going to tell you how the HVC will tell you that price will not continue. What do you see here? Here's one of the highest volume candle here. HVC bearish, right? HVC bearish here. Okay, didn't continue. Okay, and then so what do you see? Price came on top of the HVC bearish here. Let's have it on HVC bearish. Okay, price didn't close above. Price didn't close above this HVC one, neither this one, neither this one. Price closed above here. And then what do you see price is doing since then? Since price closed above this HVC one, this HVC bearish, price pushing up. Even in the 15 second, price is pushing up. Okay, this is our highest volume candle in the highest. This is our HVC bullish here. This one. This was our bearish, which was violated. This is our bullish. Okay, since the bearish violated, we have a strong HVC bullish now. See, just marking the HVCs, you'll see so many things because they are the best things that can tell us what price wants to go, what price wants to do. That's why I was telling you it's very, very important for you to get out whenever you see like there's an HVC or you see there's a higher time frame candle, for example, 1 hour, 4 hour, and then there's a lot of buyers, and then you need to try to get out at these levels. Okay. So price came back. Okay, we have our HVC bearish here. So price came back. Okay, so price, remember price didn't give the entry here. Okay, we have our HVC here, not HVC, MMM external block in CDS in 15 seconds here. Let me make it bigger. 15 seconds, external block in 15 seconds here. So we don't expect, what did happen? Huh? Let's just switch here. What's it here? Yeah, 15 seconds. Yeah. So for example here, we have our MMMX. See, this is our HVC on M1, and at the same level of the HVC on M1, we have what? MMM external block CDS. Why we will not enter in this trade? Okay, this trade we will have entered here already. This is the entry of this trade. Since the market already make a market stick to change, okay, we need to wait for price to the market stick to change on the 15 second to enter again. The kind of things I'll be teaching them on my next class. Okay, so let's check 5 minutes. See, this is our HVC bearish. So see, this is our HVC bearish on what? 5 minutes, and it's the same HVC bearish on what? 1 minute. And let's see if it check 15 minutes. The 15 minute hasn't closed, both. This is one of the highest. This candle is the highest within these two. Is the highest. So since price is in premium, in discount in 15 minutes, and we are reacting from so from the buyers here, so highly likely now price is maybe looking to take this to come inside of this unfair pricing gap. But what we don't want to see, we don't want to see that price violate or like price close above this high or violate the CDS here on the 15 second. We don't want to see price come on top of here and then violate this or close above this. Okay, so for us to take a trade, okay, for us to take a trade, let's check the 1 minute. So we have now on the 1 minute here, we have a market structure change here. Okay, and then the same in the 15 second, everything is in. Now, if the price give us a PO4 bearish here in the 1 minute, now we'll take a trade. Without violating this high, because this high shouldn't be violated because this is a C2 candle. This is a C2, and this is like M1 as well. Price shouldn't violate this high. If price want to continue higher, okay, price shouldn't violate this high. Let's see if price violated the no. See, price still respecting. Now we're expecting price to give us a nice entry bearish here. CDS, CDS, M1, yeah. So we're waiting for a PO4 bearish. Very nice PO4 bearish. I'll enter this trade here. Okay, this is our CDS. Price still respecting the midline. We don't want price to do what? To even touch this high here. Price cannot touch this high. If price touches this high here, this MMX center block in the 1 minute is invalid. So what do we do? Well, okay, this is invalid now. See, all of these are invalid. See, this is the way the market will protect you. You wait for your PO4. Since price close, bearish body close, price didn't respect this external block here on M1 and violated. Okay, so we are not expected. So we need to wait. What is the next point where price highly likely push down? Okay, this is our next stop. This is our next external block here. Okay, so highly likely price will retrace inside of this unfair pricing gap. Maybe give us a PO4 bearish. Oh, this is not with body close. Oh, it's just it's not with body close. It's not with body close, guys. Not a CDS. It's just an block. It looks nice, but it's just an block, which means price highly likely violates it because it didn't produce a market to change with. No market stick to change with body close here. So price highly likely violates this high. The market, what a beauty! What a beauty! It's so beautiful, guys. It's so beautiful. So let's see if the market will respect this MMM block. Okay, so we don't mark this MM external block. Why? Because we didn't. This candle wasn't a bearish body close. Okay, we don't mark it. So which means price. Let's see. I don't think price will respect it. Which means price highly likely come all the way up here. Okay, this is our next external block here. Here, market seek to change with bearish body close, bearish body close. There's no low form here. Bearish body close. We get it here. Okay, market seek to change bearish body close. Yeah, it's here. No before and here. This our external block here. M1. Okay. So price highly likely come all the way up here or even here in this unfair pricing gap. So the nice reaction will be from this level if price want to keep pushing lower. Okay. So see, price violated, violated, failed. We have an imbalance here, volume imbalance here. Um, imbalance here. No, not opening gap. It's an opening gap. So we might have a nice reaction from this level here. Is on 1 minute and one. What a beauty, guys. What a beauty. I love price. I love the read price with the MMM. It's so precise. You don't enter trade like crazy. Okay? You don't enter trade like crazy. See? Just wait. See this MMM block on the this MMM external block CDS is the same in 5 minutes as well. Same high. See this market stick to change here. Market stick to change here. So price shouldn't really violate any of this level here. Okay. Okay, but price might come all the way out here. Oh, we don't know. So we have our market stick to change here. And then we have the market stick to change in 5 minutes as well. You have the MMM block here in 1 minute, but price didn't retrace. We just wait. So far, so good. So will price come and fill out this unfair pricing gap here? We don't know. Price already delivered here, okay? And on the 4 hour, see the seek and destroy. So we don't know if will price deliver on the seek and destroy high as well. We don't know. But we hope that this close bearish body close. If this close bearish body close will be very, very nice for us. So we'll be going with the flow. We'll be going with the flow, guys. Someone asking a question. So why sometimes you indicate a change about premium and discount? Why sometimes you indicate a change about it's changed because when the market is in premium, the indicator needs to change to tell you that the market is in premium. But I don't really understand the question. So it seems so far we are listening. Great, thank you, TK. It seems in each time frame the price change in your indicator. What do you mean? I mean, it seems easy tech. It seems in each time frame the price changing indicator. I don't understand your question. This is what the indicator is supposed to do. Adapting to the time frame it is, and then you just need to connect all of them together based on your higher time frame analysis. We are also at the bottom range of M15 internal block short. Should we be paying attention to that level? So we are also at the bottom range of M15 internal block short. M15 internal block short. Bottom level M15 internal block short. Internal block short. Internal block short. TK. Which price level are you talking about? I don't seem to be identifying. On the 15 minutes, see? Bearish, bullish affinity. Bullish affinity plus in the 15 minutes, which means price wants to keep pushing higher. So now the question is like, will price bump here and push down? If this trend is too strong, we don't know. And we are already, remember, like when we check the 15 minutes, we saw that price was in premium, in discount. So will price give us the entry to take our short? We don't know. Remember, always when you see this buyer's level here, okay, see how price react to this level. See, if you entered here and you say, okay, I will be waiting for price maybe come down here. No, you just take your profit. This is very precise. Here, you just take your profit, get out, and then you're done for the day. So if price, you like a very nice reaction from this level here, but the way price is crossing this the settlement line, which it's quite strong. Okay, but I hope price we trace, we spec, we at least respect this block from the 15 minutes here. I hope price respect this block on the 15 minutes minimum and to give us a nice entry. See, bearish body close, price did the job, took the low. So I don't think this price wants to push lower. So during this week, we might see price come all the way up here before going down for the week. Okay, you might leave all this behind and push up and push all the way up here, and then do what? And then fill out this offer pricing gap, and then at some point just push down. So since we are early during the week, so on Monday, normally on Monday, you will expect price to do a lot of consolidation, a lot of exchange between buyers and sellers. So normally Monday you'll see that, and then on Tuesday you'll see that price just create the high or the low of the week, or price just take liquidity, or price just fill out some unfair pricing gap. So let's see what's today. Today, if price just come inside here, okay, and then not today, like tomorrow, how today we close, we don't know. Just expect it. A nice reaction from here will be nice. But now, since this market come all the way down here, but this price violated the block, long we don't have it anymore. All right, in this 15 minutes, violated as well. So if price violated this bearish, see, this is the M1 I'm saying that. Remember, I was saying that I don't want price to close above this M1. What did price do? This HVC bearish, and this was our next HVC bearish. Okay. So what do you see price did? Price closed above this HVC bearish on M1, and then what price did? Price keep pushing up, pushing up, pushing up, but we didn't get any nice entry. 15 second maybe, no entry on the 15 second neither. 5 second, maybe in the 5 second. No entry. Oh, we had a nice entry in the 5 second. Maybe here. This would have been an entry in the 5 second. For example, if I wasn't swimming, probably I would have entered this long, but maybe not. So we have a market structure change here. Price go all the way up here. Inside on premium discount. This, oh my god, no entry at all. Why isn't even given entry in the 15 second, guys? See, this price is between discount and premium. No entry at all. No entry. That's the only place price will have given a nice entry here. The best entry will have been here. See, and even in the 15 second, the best entry will have been here in this canal here. Best entry will have been here. And then see, this is the nicest entry if we were to enter long position here. This would have been the nicest entry here. This is the only time price came all the way back to this corner, even in the 15 second. I mean, we will have missed it because we were looking for too short. But let's see if we had some confluence. Wow. 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 It is unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. 5 minutes. It is unbelievable, guys. Guys, remember what I said about this candle where do you have buyers? They look at the reaction. And it's crazy. The MM is crazy, guys. Even me, sometimes I'm even surprised. How can I even like really figure all this out? It's insane. So we highly likely see price maybe push up here. But now I don't think we are looking for short anymore. I guess. At least let's wait for the 1 hour to close. Yeah. If 1 hour is closed, bullish affinity. Yeah. So highly likely looking for a long now. Nice long 1 to 2 and done for the day. Let's check. Let's wait for this candle to retrace. We already have our block. So if will this candle retrace back inside, maybe a reaction from this level here. Which what is our HVC? Our HVC bullish is here, 5 minute. 5 minute HVC bullish is here. This is our HVC bullish in the 1 minute. You need to be so patient, guys, to find a good trade. So patient. So highly likely we have this CDS in 1 minute. So highly likely price might react to it as well. This is so beautiful. You need a lot of like, oh, price already take the high, guys. Price already took the high. Price don't want us to enter. No long. Once price take this high without retracing, there's no more long. No more long, guys. I'm not looking for long anymore because price already took this high. And then price didn't close. Bullish body close. Let's see. No more long, still short. If price, for example, I would have been looking for a long if price didn't take the high of the 15 minute. Okay? Didn't take the high. Or for example, even in the 1 hour. See price already coming inside of the unfair pricing on top of this candle here. Took the high. Now price need to, if price wants to keep, price needs to keep pushing up because price already took the high. If the buyers are so strong, they need to push up, keep pushing. If they are not strong, the sellers will just take over from here. So if price retrace back first, okay, I'll be looking for a nice one. For example, this is a bearish bullish body close. If, for example, if price didn't take this high and retrace back and give me a nice setup in the one minute, I will have to take a long. But since price take this high first, I'm just waiting to see what will happen. Since today is Monday, price will consolidate a lot. So now I'm just waiting. So this for the buyers to confirm and show the strength. This 15 minutes candle should close bullish body close. Definitely. There's no going out of it. This 15 minutes candle, it needs to close bullish body close. It needs to push up because price already took the high, which means the sellers are not that strong. Okay? If price take the high, price needs to push up. If price is coming back inside and it's like you're going in, for example, in 5 minutes, you're seeing like price come back here and you have having bearish body close, which means price is no longer wants to go up. So highly likely, I'm expecting price to do what? To take this, maybe violate this external block on M1, and then come inside of this unfair pricing gap on fill portion here, and then maybe push down. This is my best case scenario. This is what I will be looking to take a trade now. Okay, this is my on-fill portion. This is the on-fill portion. UP in 5 minutes M5. So me, when I'm doing live analysis, I'm always looking of what price is doing. If price is, I need to make sure that everything is coming together, like fitting inside of each other, you know. And then once price is like fitting inside of each other, so this is the moment I know that price wants to keep pushing higher or lower. So example, like since price violated the high of the 15 minutes of the 1 hour, so price needs to push up. If price doesn't push up, okay, so and price is coming back inside. So so I'm still looking for short just because of that. Just because of price come on top of this, or just because of price didn't retrace back first and then just take the high of the 15 minutes bullish body close, and didn't we have this bullish affinity. Price just come and take the high before giving me a nice retracement and push up, which means like the buyers are very, very strong, very, very strong. Okay, so I don't want to see this price come back here like giving a bearish body close at all in 15 minutes, 5 minutes. I want to see price keep pushing up, even violate this M1. CDS. So this is the moment you just sit, relax, and look and wait. There's nothing you can do. Just wait. If price violate this, will violate this MM external block on M1, or will price come inside here, fill out this unfair on fill pricing gap, which I am expecting price to do, and then push down. Okay, but I at least we want a nice reaction from this level because we have an MM external block here on the 5 minutes. Yeah. So this is the way I read price. Okay, but we don't know. So remember, always take profit. Just imagine now you didn't take profit, and then this MM external block on CDS on M5. This is the way I read price, guys. I just wait for to get the best trade with no worry. So when you do everything like that, like you plan your trade, you mark everything, you know exactly what to expect from price. And then so that's why you see me, I'm entering trade with 27 lots, 30 lots. What? So I don't care about the lots. What I care is like my analysis is on point. Once my analysis is on point and I get my entry and everything makes sense, see, like I was saying, price will violate this MM external block on the N1. What happened? Just violated it. So price is looking to do what? To fill out this unfair pricing gap. So now the last reaction point will be, will price react to this MM external block and push down or what? We don't know. So at least, if price want to push lower, price needs to respect at least this level here. But since remember the 4 hour was a seek and destroy bullish affinity, price might even come all the way up here and fill and deliver here on top of here. But we don't know. But so far, price didn't give us an opportunity to enter. Yeah. Price I actually fill this unfair pricing gap on fill portion of the unfair pricing gap on 5 minutes, and then price highly likely come here as well. So we have this MMM external block on 5 minutes, and we have it as well on the 1 minute as well. This is our MMM external block in the 1 minute. So will price react to this level and push down? We don't know, but we expect price to do so. This will be very, very good for us to take a nice short. But we don't know. So will price come inside of this unfair pricing gap here in 1 minute and push down? The price is so beautiful. Market is so beautiful. If you know how to read the market, if you know exactly how to read the market, it's not like you're looking for some random frame that price is doing. For example, like you'll be looking for a specific on fair value gap at a specific time that price needs. These are the specific time. No, you don't. You need to be reading price because the market is dynamic. The market is not fixed. Every single candlesticks are different. They have different volume, they have different way of closing. So you need to be always reading price, always looking what price is telling you, right? So once you master the skill of reading price, understanding what price is telling you, well, it will be so easy for you to take trades, and you not be afraid about entering a trade with a lot with 20 lots, 30 lots. It doesn't matter. As well as your analysis is on point, you don't really care because you did your job. You analyze your price very well, and then you wait for price to tell you what to do and when to do it. So far, price doesn't tell us to take any short. We look for short, even when price was pushing down. Price didn't give us any entry when it was pushing down, and price didn't give any entry when price was pushing up, even in the 5 seconds. This is the moment you just wait. Because if you don't, the market will eat you alive. The market will eat you alive. You just wait, you chill out. H1 time frame with a neutral with bullish affinity. Isn't it possible to look for a buy? Yeah, bullish affinity. Yeah, bullish affinity plus are the best candle ever. And what price already delivered on it? See? H1. See H1 bullish affinity plus. What price did? Price did the job. Did price deliver on it? Yes, it did. See, already delivered. Bullish affinity plus. These are the strongest candle. Bullish affinity plus. That's why I was looking to take a long, because this was a bullish affinity plus. So, but I was expecting price to retrace back and give me a nice setup around this level or even down here. But price didn't. Price just right away took the high. So when you see price take the high right away, price needs to keep pushing up. Or if price doesn't pushing up, sometimes price just take the high, and after that price might just reverse. Okay, so I'm still looking for my short. Still looking for my short. Oh, look at this 4 hour. Still looking for my short. And so 1 minute, 5 minutes, will prices respect this level? Will prices will come inside of this unfair pricing gap? In the 1 minute, let's maybe mark it out. Yeah, this is the 1 minute unfair pricing gap. So price highly likely come inside of it. Highly likely come inside of it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Unfair pricing gap. M1. So we're expecting price to do what? To come inside and yeah. Yeah, but see, price is mitigating this level here. So highly likely a nice push here. Very body close. And then yeah. Let's see. Oh well. Oh. So just imagine you didn't take profit here, and then you're expecting price to push down. You know, once price came to zero, price might not like push down. Even in the 15 second, you see the reaction, guys. See, even this market, you see this market change here. You'll be thinking that price, for example, you'll be thinking that price might react from this level here and push down, but didn't. I think a lot of people get trapped here because they see this very body close price make a break of market structure BOS, and then they'll be like, oh, we have an unfair fair value gap. Okay, a lot of people get trapped in this trade here because market is pushing down, right? And then strong volume candle down, market structure change. Okay, so you'll be expecting for what? For price to come inside of this fair value and push down. You see, normally they will tell you to just enter in this fair value gap. Okay, normally they will you just put your entry in the fair value gap here, and then you target this low. Okay, what did price do? Bullish body close. Whenever you see this bullish body close, boom, you're done. And then people will put the stop loss here on. They say, okay, it should be okay because like price might respect this high. And then how do you see price push here? It didn't give them even a chance to get out of this market, of this price. Just push. That's why like my model. So my model will help you to be patient. It will help you to understand what price is doing. It will help you to do your analysis and just stick to the rules. Don't get a trade for the day, just don't trade. It's not the end of the world. It's not the end of the world. You don't get a trade for today. It's not the end of the world. You just don't trade. That's all. You do not trade. Okay? But I'm still expecting price to push down. Still. And price violated all this MMM. So I'm still expecting price to push down. So as long as, let's see if price will give a nice entry at this level here. 1 minute. See, price came inside of the unfair pricing gap now. So now what we expect, maybe price to fill it out. All right. And since price here create a market structure change, here price create a market structure change, we need to wait for a price to create a bearish market structure change. For example, here, see, bearish MS market structure change bias. Okay. So, and then we need to wait for price to create another market structure change bearish and give us a like a nice external block. Okay. And then we take a nice trade. Oh, in the 5 minutes, take a nice trade here at this level. Oh, let's check if price is in discount. Yes, it is in discount. This is where we'll be looking for a nice trade, guys. And you see, and since price, even price give us a PO4 here, you wouldn't enter. Do you know why you wouldn't enter? Because you have an equal high here in front of what? In front of the unfair pricing gap. Even price were to give a PO4 here, you don't enter. Because price leave this equal high in front of what? In front of this unfair pricing gap. Okay, so highly likely. And then we have the 15 minutes close, bullish body close. See, why does it tell you to enter? You just wait. You just wait. You just wait to see what price will tell you to do, and when to do it. You're just looking for a show. No. Anyway, so if let's give it like 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, if we don't find anything, I will just stop the stream because it's like 2 hours here. It's already 5 p.m. for me. Yeah, so price is leaving these breadcrumbs. See? Close it. Close. Yeah. Completely close. Completely deliver to the thick. See? Or price deliver to the unfair pricing gap. Exact level. Very precise. Very precise. Okay, now are we getting our entry here, guys? Are we getting our market structure change here? Are we getting our PO4? It'd be so nice. We've been waiting and waiting and waiting. Are we getting our PO4, guys? We don't know. This is an HVC bullish here. Are we getting our PO4 bearish? Are we getting our trade here, guys? Yeah. See? Yeah. Push down, baby. Push it down. Push it down. Oh, baby. Check 5 minutes. Yeah, very nice reaction. Very nice. Oh. Well, I marked this on February. I marked this so many times here. I don't know why it just disappeared. CD CDS M5. I marked this so many times. Just disappeared. Okay. Are we having a nice reaction from here? Are we having our PO4 bearish here? Check the 15 minutes. Oh, looks nice. Looking nice. I like the reaction from this level here. Well, nothing yet. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Oh, you have this PO4. I think I marked this already. Why is it not staying? Or is that about short? Come on. Now, what I want to see the market to change here, where bearish body closed, PO4, and then boom, short. And target 1 to 2, boom, done. Yeah, let's hope for a nice trade. That will be fair. It's so nice. Yeah. So we're going inside of the MMM external block. External block. What are we doing here? Are we expecting it? Are we getting the bearish body close? Are we getting our market stick to change here? Want to see a nice market stick to change here. Well, we're getting our PO4 here, guys. Remember, guys, everything here is at your own risk. Okay, if you take any trade, you lose money, it's not my responsibility. It's at your own risk. Okay, because I'm not a financial advisor, I don't have any license. It's purely educational. It's purely educational. Okay, so everything you do here, it's your own responsibility. Don't get the market stick to change yet. Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm going to stop the stream, and then at least so far you have an idea of the process. So at least you have an idea of what everything I've said. You understand what price is doing and why price is doing what price is doing, and then you can go over and we watch it again, and then you know exactly what to expect at this point forward. Okay. So thank you very much. So now I think I would love to see this candle or any candle create a market stick to change here below this low with body close. Okay, and then price is in premium already. We just wait for a PO4. We create a market stick to change, and we see the MS bias change to from bullish to bearish here, and then here we go. Okay, thank you guys. I think we are pretty close of getting a trade, but. And I think I'm going to stop the stream now. I haven't eaten anything entire morning, just while it's 5:22 p.m. It's crazy. I mean, I wake up very late as well. The price is not giving us the PO4. It took the swing low, but didn't create any market to change. No PO4. We should price my push up here again. Take these highs or come to this level still, but no entry yet. Okay, so your entry should be based on your short entry might be based on this. Just do it on the demo, or just do it like back testing. Okay, this is just tip reading. Okay, it will be very nice if price just give us a nice PO4 bearish, and that creates a market stick to change on the 1 minute. The bias changes from bullish to bullish here. Yeah. So I was expecting this candle to close very, very close. This one, but we have nothing. 23. Yeah. Okay, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and then I'll be doing another live stream in English on Wednesday. Wednesday at 1 p.m. Okay, Wednesday at 1 p.m. Sorry. 1 p.m. is it's London time. 1 p.m. London time. Okay, 1 p.m. London time will be 8 a.m. New York. Okay, 8 a.m. New York on Wednesday. I'll be doing another live analysis. Okay, and then after Wednesday, and then on Friday, I'll be doing another one. Okay, Friday same time, 1 p.m. So next live in English will be on Monday, on Wednesday, and then Friday at 8 a.m. Okay, 8 a.m. And then the Creole Live will be on tomorrow. Okay, it'll be in Creole, and then tomorrow Tuesday, and then and Thursday in Creole. Okay, same time, 8 a.m. New York in Creole. And then I'll be sending the information about the new class I'm about to open, but in English. And then yeah. So thank you very much, guys. Look, look at this. So we get we get the bias here. Yeah, this is exact point. Yeah. If I just take this high, boom, and then give the PO4 will be here nicely. And then but now, as we were expecting, price is doing what? We have our we have our external block here. We have a nice external block here. If this candle close bearish body closed, our external block will be here. Highly likely. I guess it should change. Oh, this didn't create a high. Didn't create a PO4 because this didn't create a high here. If this candle just tip this equal high, boom, and then this will have been now PO4 bearish, but it didn't. It didn't. But highly likely now, I think price will push down. Highly likely. I think we get it in the 15 second maybe. No, I think yeah. You see in the 15 second, we get it in the 15 second. So now in the 15 second, you need to wait for price to come back into premium, and then respect this high. Price coming inside into premium. Okay, so this is in the 15 second. This is the market structure change, and like external block here. Okay, and then if price come inside and give you a nice PO4, but you have this equal high here. There's a lot of liquidity here. Price might come, but what I expect at price at this point forward. Okay, this is why violated. This was violated. I don't like it, which means price will push up. Okay, and then maybe go into premium. See, this is our highest. This is our HVC. Okay, this HVC was violated, which means price highly likely come back to this level here. Okay, that's why when you see price, for example, if you see one hour here, 1 minute here, price just pushing down, right? Just imagine you just enter here. You don't wait for confluence. And then when you go in the 15 minutes, see, price violated this HVC, which means price highly likely come back to this level here, come to this high. And then with the 15 minutes to take a trade, price may come inside here, a nice PO4 bearish without violating this high, and then you take a nice short. But now at this point forward, I think price will push down. If price wants to push down, okay. Yeah, at this point forward, I expect price to push down, but it all depends. Like, let's see all this. This 15 minutes we close. Yeah, 15 minutes we close very nicely. So which means like in the 15 second, this see exactly what I was saying, guys. See, do you see what I was saying? That price will come and take this high because this HVC bearish was violated with body close. So price came inside, but price didn't close. Price didn't close on top. Okay, price didn't close on top of it. But and then we have a market structure change here. But price came to deliver here because this was supposed to be violated. So price needs to come and deliver here, and then price will just deliver. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Soon I'll be sending all the information. So yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm so happy that you begin to understand. Yeah, it's my pleasure. Please take care, guys. So please take care, and see you tomorrow. No, see you on Wednesday. Bye bye.